Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure lease agreement drafting with Rocket Lawyer, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Rocket Lawyer website. Once you are on the home page, look for the search bar at the top. Type lease agreement into the search bar and press enter. You will see a variety of options related to lease agreements. Select the template that best fits your needs. After selecting the template, you'll be directed to the lease agreement drafting page. Review the overview of the lease agreement template. Click on the Start Your Document button to begin. You may need to sign in to your Rocket Lawyer account or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Once signed in, you will see a series of questions related to the lease agreement. Fill in the required information step by step. This will include details about the landlord and tenant, rental property specifics, and lease terms. Make sure to review each section carefully to ensure accuracy. If applicable, add clauses for security deposits, repairs, and termination. Once you have entered all necessary information, click on the Preview Document button. Review the lease agreement to make sure everything is correct. If any changes are needed, return to the editing section. After you are satisfied with the document, click on the Download button. Choose your preferred format, such as PDF or Word document. Your lease agreement will be generated and ready for your use. Follow any additional instructions on the screen to finalize the process. You can now print or share the lease agreement as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.